What'd you think?
I think that's a pretty cushy job. And
Yeah, do you like that?
I wouldn't mind doing that.
Does he have-
Oh my goodness.
Let's go! Well,
Cannot see.
let's go where?
Let's go, I guess, stay on the road.
Can you, oh, there we go, perfect. Use the cameras.
Oh my goodness.
Here we go.
Is it hail? We're in Grandpa's nice new pickup.
It's not hail yet.
Right? That's definitely hail. I think that's hail. Okay, now we're out of the hail.
The coast is clear. All I had to do is just drive.
Currently in tornado warning / possible watch. Unsure of what means what. I don't think we're gonna make it far.
Here, look. It's a
Hopefully, here's what we have.
It's a thin line, and I think we just drove through it.
I think so too.
We're on the other side.
Hopefully no bins blow away.
Or pivots.
Or pivots. Or
Except
tractors.
those old ones.
So it's pretty windy outside, as you can tell. But we did get hail. Oh well, here. Here's what we got. I'm really bad at comparing sizes, but that's how big the hail is. So I don't think big enough to really do any damage. I hope not, because that's our tractor in the distance. Doesn't look like the pickup's hurt. I think we should be okay, but it is still so windy outside. Well, power is out at our house. It has been out for what, 6, 7 hours now?
Yeah, it's been a while.
It's been quite a while. So, and it gets dark really early. So I was, so Dad sent me home from the farm because obviously nothing you can do in winds like this. They're still going on right now. So I made it home in one piece, and I did stuff in the house until it got dark, which was about an hour after I got home. And I'm realizing that I might not have survived in pioneer times.
Okay.
So dark. I mean, I got my phone's flashlight, but my phone only has so much battery. So we ventured out in the storm and saw some damage that I'm guessing we'll see. We'll see more tomorrow morning when it's light outside.
Power lines across the road.
Power lines blocking the highway. That's why our power's out. And I'm guessing a lot of flipped pivots. Anyways, so couldn't make a supper because no electricity, no water.
We could have, but I need a haircut anyway.
Yeah, so Grant got a haircut before Christmas, and we ate some dinner, which was nice because no dishes. And now we're wandering in stores. So semi doing some Christmas shopping and also doing some Christmas wish list making. We've determined that new lawn chairs or sports spectating chairs should be on the list. Oh, rocking. I kind of like the one next to it. It looks cozy. I like that.
Would you try it out?
Oh, yeah.
You like that?
Yeah, this is nice. See, it's a special occasion because I'm wearing my going to town clothes.
Yeah, this was the one that she got chased by the cow in. Laura really wants to hold a duck.
Real one. I don't want none of this fake stuff. I want a real one to hold.
This one looks pretty real. Look at his head.
It's soft. I just imagine me and my little duck friend just... We're driving home from the store, and the wind has died down significantly now. But this is in our poor, sweet little small town. Looks like the roof or something just like blew right off. So sad. Oh my goodness, Grant, my truck. Babe, I know it's not nice, but... Okay, well, apparently storm damage hit a little more close to home, I guess.
Ditch.
We'll take the ditch. I'm wearing my cat gloves.
Oh, nice. Like that big twin-engine cat scraper back there.
It's pretty crazy. They're not here yet. Also, drone might be frozen. So this is true Nebraska weather. Yesterday it was 70. I was in a t-shirt. This morning I woke up to 26 degrees.
Also, it was so windy last night. There's trees and power lines blown over. We had no power last night, so
we're going to drive around and check out the storm damage before these guys get here.
yeah, these guys are doing some dirt work on my field. I've got a big draw, and so I hired them to come in and scrape for me. As you saw, Laura and I scraping takes a while.
It does.
Man,
Tinted windows.
looks like Chet and Duggo need to come clean their wheels out for them. Their tracks.
I want those tinted windows.
You like those tinted windows?
I like those. Check out these scrapers.
Oh yeah.
They're just a little bit bigger than yours.
It's a humdinger.
Made in the USA.
Heck yeah. And 2 of them. How many yards do you think these are? 15 yarders?
I'm willing to bet a lot.
That's a pretty big tire.
That's a pretty big tire. That's maybe like a third of the trucks I saw here last night. Good job, Southern Power. Working hard. Appreciate it. Here's our first pivot down.
Luckily this isn't ours, but I know the guy who owns it. Oh, the fence is down too. The cows are gonna get out. Oh my goodness, took out a power
Oh my
pole.
goodness. Yikes.
All twisted up. Junk.
Luckily we don't have to water anything until spring. But that is really unfortunate. Oh, look at this. The pipe's completely disconnected.
That's what 75 mile an hour winds will do.
This is much more common than the entire pivot flipping over. It's the corner arm fell over. Yikes. So this definitely wasn't like this before the wind. Just picked it up and smashed it right into that building. This is not storm damage related whatsoever. But if anyone has an excavator that they want to give Grant for Christmas, oh my goodness, I'm just kidding, but this is Grant's dream Christmas present right here. Probably not gonna happen this year, but maybe next year. Also, December 19th marks 1 whole year that Grant and I have been married. I think that's pretty cool. Well, so this actually is Grant's pivot. So that's 1, 2 towers down. Somehow this one's still standing. And the corner arm is snapped right off. Sorry, babe.
Yeah. Neighbor's pivots down too.
Yeah, so when we were driving over the hill, we thought that it was just the neighbor's pivot, but nope, it was Grant's pivot. So the neighbor also has a corner arm down, but then has another 3 towers down over there. Unfortunate. Wrong?
You guys are definitely farmers before cowboys. Check this tire out.
What's
wrong?
Lots of life.
There's nothing there, just cords.
Don't look at that part. Look, this tread is still good.
So I met Kale and Laura in Aurora for lunch, and I just give them a hard time about their gate
That's fine.
trailer.
Why don't we? No, we can't compare that. So that's good stuff over there.
Yeah, I know. I think it's okay.
Yeah.
Let's go to the pickups and look at your disc.
Is this your lasso?
I don't like that.
Yeah.
I think it works just fine.
This is true rancher.
Hey, look, the hitch pin stays with the trailer.
Oh yeah. Hey, at least you have a pin or a keeper in here.
Well, I had to steal that off another hitch pin. But yeah, I do have that.
This
We're
is a
set.
Class A gate trailer.
What do you think, Grant?
Oh man, I like those tracks.
Yeah?
It's cool stuff.
Oh man, it's pretty. I would consider myself a John Deere girl, but it's quite the dirt moving machine there.
looks good together.
It does. It really does. I think he just did more in this one pass than I did in my entire day of trying to scrape dirt for you.
I would agree.
And look at how smooth and level everything is. Man, isn't it awesome when professionals come in and do their job? I think farmers try to convince themselves that we can do absolutely anything. We can do any job ourselves.
The phrase, a jack of all trades is better than a master of one.
No, a jack of all trades is a master of none.
Oh,
yeah. And so every once in a while, when we actually hire someone to do something, it's kind of incredible at how amazing professionals professionally do a job. Look at that.
yeah. So that hill is super steep. Like when I'm driving up with a tractor, it's like all spinning. So they're dumping some dirt there. But this washout is super deep. And like when I first bought this farm, I could barely cross this. And so I've worked on it over the years, but I decided
Yeah, so I'm realizing that on video it looks like it's just flat for as far as the eye can see forever. However, these draws and hills get really nasty to plant through and work through. And it's just, I don't know, we want to make our land as smooth on the tractors as possible, I feel like. And this machine is really helping us out with that. What's nice is that because we have such nice weather this December, I feel like usually the ground would be frozen by now.
flash forward to the rest of the video.
Well,
Nice weather.
yes, okay. Okay, well, you know what I mean. Like, usually it's freezing outside by now, and it's actually not terrible. So we're able to do dirt work like this later on.
You can
Maybe.
get a ride.
This is my good friend Tegan Roberts here, and he's gonna give us a little walk around of his machine here. Tell me what we got going on. What kind of tractor is this?
Case 600 Quadtrac. It's a 2014.
Very nice. What percent tint do you have on those windows there?
5%.
5%? Oh my god. Oh
How many
wow.
hours does this thing have on it?
I just turned over 4,000.
4,000. Oh man. Check this out. Oh my
How many
goodness.
yard scrapers are there? 20 each.
20 each? Oh man, that's a lot bigger than.
You should have seen the dinky little scraper I was trying to do a job with. I mean, it was sad. You did more, I guarantee, in this one scoop than I did in like 6 hours. I'm pretty sure. This is awesome. Oh, you mind if I take a little ride? Okay. Look at that. I've been in a tractor like this big, one time before, and it was in this huge manure spreader in New York. I have to say, I think I like this one a little bit better. It doesn't smell quite as bad.
This one I can't see it, so I just have to feel it.
Like as soon as it starts pulling down in the back, that's when it's
I
full.
watched the fuel gauge here.
Oh, the fuel gauge, really?
per hour.
Yeah.
When it goes up so high, that's when it said it's full.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so when it was pulling down like that, it said 33 gallons an hour. Oh my goodness. I thought my truck got bad gas mileage. Holy cow.
It holds 500 gallons in the fuel tank.
Wow. My goodness. So that's 40 yards of dirt back there.
It's probably a little more.
Or a little more?
Full.
Okay. Wow. You'll just be out here all day long? Moving dirt? Alright, so tell me about all the hydraulics on this tractor, Tegan.
Okay, so this tractor has 6 remotes. These 2 scrapers use 4. The first one goes up and down, and then the second remote does the door and the pusher all in one function.
Gotcha. 2 hydraulic pumps on this tractor, you said?
Yeah, it's called twin flow.
Twin flow. I like that.
One pump does 3 remotes, and one does the other 3.
Gotcha.
What'd you think?
I think that's a pretty cushy job. And
Yeah,
I
you like
wouldn't
that?
mind doing that.
Does he have a super clean cab? Yeah, of course he does. Now we're racing to town. I think I'm gonna beat her.
Thank you.
Do we tip it?